Alright, my people, Dancehall Skilla here again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Yeah, I have videos that I'm going to present to you, and I have some things I want to talk to you about. You see? Yeah, some Jamaicans might say sitting, or sinting. You see it? Alright, now, first things first, viewers and subscribers. I am going to present to you a video that's going to show how a police officer from within the country of Jamaica handled a situation. The video shows a tension between a police officer and a man. And apart from the police officer and the man who you can see in the video, you can also hear persons talking in the background of the video as well. See? Yeah, I want to take a look at this video and tell me how you think the police officer handled the situation shown in the video. Alright? You can tell me what you think overall about the video as well. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me, people.
SK, do not assault the officer.
I tell you that you're under police orders.
Ask him for his badge number, SK. Ask him for his badge number. Drop the phone, SK. SK, let the phone up. Make it broke. Drop the phone up, SK. SK, drop the phone. SK.
After I'm going to take on phone. Take on phone.
Relax,
Listen, people. Hello.
SK, ask him for his badge number one more time.
The badge number, please, and thanks. And your name, sir, please. You can know who I deal with.
Please. Please. Inspector Reed, I hope you see this now. I hope you see this now, Inspector Reed.
Your name.
Superintendent Reed, I hope you see what's going on.
You can know who I deal with.
Yeah. That's why. Why?
You push me upon the people and push me. You squeeze up my hand and all that thing there. Yeah, man.
Phone drop.
What will cause this though?
Screen crack, yes. You put chip on it.
Anyway, right?
Big man.
Call your man. Lots man. Are you a vehicle? Are you a vehicle? The vehicle in your
It's
name?
my money bought it. No, it's not in my name, but it's my money bought it.
So why you come now on a...
It's my son. It's not obstructing.
Alright, my people. Me I wonder if me hear the police officer say anything about name and badge number to that person. You see me I say, can me hear when the police officer say certain things to that person, you know, but me I wonder, can me not hear clearly. You know, I have to go look back on the video another time, viewers and subscribers, but you can tell me what you think. You see me I say, I don't know what really led up to that situation, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say, no. But you know, want to please bear in mind that you have good police and you have bad police as well. You see me I say, sometimes your police officers do some things that are good. I mean, I appreciate them for that. You see me? Plus, me respect police because them serve and protect we the people. But at the same time, you have some police officers who do some things that are bad. And some of the times, those things reflects on the entire police force from wherever country you're living in or you're at. You understand? Anyways, my people, I'm going to present another video to you now. This video shows something that a man made. Yeah, I don't know if I should call this thing a vehicle or something mobile. I'm not sure what to call it. But people might take a look at this video and tell me what would you call this thing that this person said to have made. You understand? Here's the video. Look and observe with me, people.
No intention again. Big dog chop a road down there. See there?
When I call it, people.
Bumbuckler creative. Super creative. Custom.
Hold on. Go back over this. What that me look at me, people? I want gear stick that or something? Hold on there. A gear stick that? This is already a see. Well, I'm finished watching the rest. Look at this. This is a side.
Custom whip.
Custom whip, yeah.
Custom. Yeah. Custom.
Hey. Hey, my people, they love excitement, you know. Sure, Lord, that's great.
Hey. Custom whip.
I'll roof the party. Hey, man, I tell you about people, me say, some talent. Custom whip, and that be. Alright, me not laugh or fight now, nothing, you know, it's bad. You see, a creativity that, you know, my people. See? That's something constructive that, you know. Now, man, me respect that, man. Me respect that, whoever the person be. If you can't buy one, make one. You see me, I say, my people. Yeah, man, big him up, man. That's one of the reasons why I'm presenting that video there to you. Tell me what you think about that video, my people. Anyways. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that a motorcyclist had been shot and killed within a place that is known as Mount Carey, that's within the parish of St. James, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica. And according to the same news article, it is said that the man has been identified as a 22-year-old Ronald Barnes, otherwise called the Chicken, and it is said that the incident happened today, that's the 28th of January, the year 2022. According to the same news article, it is said that it is reported that sometime at about 8:30 a.m., Barnes was traveling through the same area that I mentioned when he was attacked. It is said that he died on the spot, and it is said that whosoever attacked that person fled the scene of the incident, viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons attacked that person. You understand? But I got information that the man had been shot and killed. So me answer, viewers and subscribers. You see? You know, remember, information that I gave you are according to some things that I read in a news article. And viewers and subscribers, and I real, you know, I feel a way if you say certain things like this over and over. You know, the crime rate in Jamaica just keep going up and up, keep getting worse and worse. You know, and it just really seems a way. Let me say a recent video that shows journalists asking Minister of National Security within the country of Jamaica questions pertaining to crime and violence. You get me? I said to you, and a real viewers and subscribers, me not be disrespectful, and me not try to bash no one, but I'll know me not hear him get to no point. You understand? And quite a number of persons, not only on social media, basically ask for him to resign and all them things to my people. You see me, I say, yeah, the crime and violence thing in Jamaica I go bad. Me not bash him, but something should be done when it comes down to crime and violence in the country of Jamaica. But anyways, you know, just to make you know about that incident or some things that I read in a news article where it is said that a motorcyclist has been shot and killed within St. James, Jamaica. You see me, I say, yeah, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is not really a long video, and this video will be recorded somewhere within the country of Jamaica. This video shows some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went inside of a house that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video will be recorded, and it's not really a long video. However, I'm going to present the video to you because the video is getting a little buzz on social media. You can also let me know what to think about this video as well. Alright? Now, in the video, you can hear harsh language. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with my people.
Come here and feel me up. Yo. I can't. Oh, where are you? Oi, man. Yo, man, I'm glad, yo. I'm glad I live this day. I'm glad they raise hand for me. That may I tell you, sharp boy. Get in and place and I bad me up. I team me up. Right, me I see my sister come from fucking. Sis, watch out.
Yeah, the things the way man say. I tell my people. Yeah, him seems upset, you see. And I really still don't know people. When it comes down to a situation like that, though, viewers and subscribers, you know, me can understand, you know. A situation like that can make you feel a way as a civilian. If your house being searched by police officers, so me answer my people, yeah, you know, Jano, especially if you know say you're innocent, you see. Anyways, I want to say big up and respect to each and every single one of you, my viewers and subscribers, for supporting Dancehall Skilla channel over the years. Yes, what I say, without you, my viewers and subscribers, this channel wouldn't be possible. You understand? So big up and respect. Here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.